In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create preloader screen in Framer. A preloader is that quick, friendly animation you see while a page or resource is loading. It reassures visitors that everything is working, improves perceived performance, and adds a touch of polish to your design. We'll keep things simple by grabbing a ready-made preloader component and dropping it into a Framer project, then checking it in preview. Start by heading to framer.com in your browser. If you're not already there, open your Framer workspace and navigate to the project where you want the preloader to appear. It's easiest to add a preloader to your main page or the frame that loads first, so have that canvas ready. Next, open a new browser tab and go to google.com. In the search box, type preloader screen template for Framer. You're looking for a resource that provides Framer-ready components so you can copy and paste without rebuilding animations from scratch. In the search results, click the page titled Preloader UI Components and Animations. This kind of resource typically showcases multiple styles: spinners, progress bars, logo reveals, and subtle looping animations. Browse the options and consider which look fits your brand and page tone. If you're designing something minimal, a simple spinner or bar may be best. If you want flair, a logo animation can make a strong first impression. Always make sure you have permission to use the asset in your project. Choose a template you like and open it to view the details in live preview. When you're ready, use the Copy Component button. This will put the Framer component on your clipboard with the layers, animations, and properties intact. Jump back to your Framer Canvas tab and paste. The component should appear on your page. Resize it so it suits your layout. Use the handles on the canvas or the size fields in the right panel. Center it within the frame and make sure it sits on top of other content so it's clearly visible while the page loads. If the component is responsive, check that it scales nicely across common breakpoints. When everything looks good, click Preview in Framer to see the preloader in action. Watch how it animates, how it sits against your background, and whether it feels balanced with your design. If it's too large, too small, or off-center, pop back to the canvas, tweak the size or position, and preview again. And that's it. You've added a clean, professional preloader to your Framer project in just a few minutes. Save your work, and you're ready to ship a more polished loading experience.